Hi guys, welcome back to Beyond Infinity Tarot channel. So today's topic is very special topic, and I hope you are doing well. I hope the all the messages I'm channeling here for you guys are helpful to you and your situation. So today's reading is a very special topic. We are going to look at your wish is about to come true. So you have three paths to choose from. So for pile 1 is going to be Eight of Cups, and pile 2 is going to be a Temperance, and pile 3 is going to be the Moon card. Okay, select your pile you feel most drawn to, and let's start with your reading. Hi pile 1, so you chose 8 of Cups. This is going to be a reading. So very special message. I'm seeing here you are moving away from a place or things or situation or connection that is no longer serves you. I feel like you have been asking for getting out of this situation or connection, or even the place that you are living in, or maybe it can be a workplace for some, but there is some place I'm picking up on, and you want to move to different place, or you want to move out of that toxic environment, or even you want to get rid of some toxicity in your life. Okay, in general, that's what I'm getting, and it's happening. Okay, you are going to feel so much relieved because all the toxicity is going to get removed out of your life. Okay, and you are going to feel so much peace. So you are going to be feeling very happy and healthy, and you are going to get that focus. Okay, that once you have, so you can focus on things that really truly matters to you. Okay, so let's see about this wish spirit. You have the Death card, and you have the Queen of Wands. Beautiful cards. Okay, so someone may be of a Scorpio, or you may have a Sagittarius, or doesn't have to be. Okay, and you have the Ten of Pentacles. So yeah, this is the energy I was picking up on. So you are definitely transforming. You are breaking away from things that doesn't serves you anymore. Okay, I'm seeing a very big transformation you are going through right now. So very like you are deep cleansing, your life is getting cleansed. Okay, right now. So it may not be a very positive time that you are in right now, so you are not maybe so happy with your situation or even with your life in general, and it's, yeah, it's like decluttering. Okay, that's what I'm getting. Or maybe you are working on your health, you are transforming, you are building good habits for yourself. So there is definitely some sort of a deep transformations you are going through, and your wish is about to come true of being this Queen of Wands energy. So it simply can mean that you are transforming your life into this Queen of Wands energy, or you are, it's a glow up. Okay, for some it's glow up, literally glow up. So you are glowing up, and you are becoming this Queen of Wands energy. You are stepping into the most powerful era of your life, where you are going to feel very controlled within your power, and no one is holding you back. Okay, there is a thing that you want to feel in control, you want to feel the power, okay, that you possess here. Okay, you want to feel like who you truly are. You are going to discovering that. Okay, so because of that energy, because of that powerful energy that you are going to be in, you are going to achieve everything that you set your mind to. Okay, that's what I'm getting. So I am hearing that you want to be respected, you want to be, you want to be well known, you want to do something, you want to make your name here. Okay, that's what I'm getting. So there is a deep urge of prove yourself or be a better version of yourself, and that wish is going to come true. Okay, and back of the deck you have the Ten of Pentacles, and you have the Five of Swords. So there are definitely a lot of people you have met, or there are some people, okay, who kind of look down on you, or maybe trying to uh, pull you out. It's not like pull your legs. Okay, it's just like they are pulling your legs, or they are trying to bring you down. Okay, so they are going to, fall on their face. Okay, that's what I'm getting, because all the things that they have done to, stop you or holding you back from being this true self, or being in this power that you want. Okay, or about this transformation, They are going to be feel very miserably, and they have to watch you being successful. You heard that, right? This is your confirmation. They are going to watch you being successful, well respected, well known, well liked by everyone, and very stable. Okay, and they are going to be feel left alone with this five of sword energy. Okay, they are going to be in this kind of cycle because you decided you don't want to be in this energy, and you step away from that. And because of that, okay, because that's why you are being rewarded to this ten of pentacles energy. So a lot of financial stability, and I'm feeling just name and fame for some people. Okay, for someone. Okay, someone wants to be recognitions, or maybe you are going to be well known because of your work. Okay, or you are going to be well known within your field, or even in your community. Okay, that's what I'm getting, because of your talents. Okay, you are a very talented person, pile one, and you are going to get, because you are leaving this toxicity behind. You are going to be presented with the beautiful opportunities. You are going to be represented with beautiful ideas. Even a new perspective shift is happening. You are going to feel very rejuvenated, renovated. Okay, even to think highly about yourself. You are going to putting yourself first. I'm just saying, like, you are putting yourself on a pedestal. Okay, that's how you should be. Okay, and universe, I'm just hearing that the universe is very proud of you for doing that. Okay, the universe is like, you finally, pile one is seeing their worth. Okay, and they are so proud of you, and they are going to help you in this journey. Okay, you are not all by yourself, you are not alone. Okay, let's see. I don't have to pull much cards here. Okay, pile one. Okay, and you are kind of person, once you have the potential. Your potential is so unlimited that you don't want someone. You don't need someone to fulfill your desire, fulfill your wishes. Okay, you are stepping into the power. Okay, you are being that version. You have this kind of a mentality where you want to see yourself in at a some level, and this is like going to come true, and all the other wishes are going to follow. You are going to be fulfilled in life. Okay, that's what I'm getting. So let's see advice for you from the angel oracles. Spirit, please provide guidance or advice for part one here with big happy changes. That's what I said, and a no, and you have the improving your health, and not the right time. Okay, so if you don't rush into things. Okay, you don't have to compare your life with others. Okay, if you are doing that. Okay, that's why we have the no card here and not the right time. Okay, don't quit. Okay, this is also your sign. Don't quit if even things get hard. Okay, don't try to accept the defeat. Okay, because you are unstoppable here, pal one. Okay, that's what I'm keep hearing. Okay, big happy changes are on its way to you, and you are improving your health. So take care of yourself. Okay, do the self improvement that you are doing. Okay, don't just quit yet. Okay, it's not the right time. We'll see why the no card is here. Spirit, please. Okay. Unlikely. Okay, and in the near future. So it's like universe is trying to tell you here with this cards. Okay, that's what the message I'm getting here is, don't, okay, don't try to put yourself in a box. Okay, you are a free thinker, you think outside of the box, so don't try to think that how your wish will come true. Okay, it's not it's not your job, or it's not the thing that you should focus on. Okay, your focus should be on your improvement. Okay, because the things that are meant to be, that meant to happen for you, that will happen in the best possible way. Okay, so don't try to figure out the ways like how it will happen. Okay, so how it will come true. Okay, how it's going to happen, because I'm not seeing anything like what she's saying right now, because that's not possible. This is not, don't limit yourself. Okay, that's the message I'm getting here. Don't limit yourself. Don't try to see your reality with your wishes. Okay, don't try to compare it. Okay, because it can change with one shift. Okay, you never know. So that's what I have for you, Palwan. I hope messages resonated, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Love and peace. Hi, Baju. So you chose temperance. This is going to be a reading. You know what I heard, pile 2, you have to start showing gratitude, okay? Start behaving like you already have what you ask for, okay? So your wish has already been granted. That's what the universe wants you to know. And the very first thing I feel with this temperance card, you are about to find your true love, or you are going to find your people, okay, or your soul tribe, or someone you can have a very deep connection with, okay, if you're not considering romantic connection. But that's what I'm picking up on, that wish is granted, or they are saying that we already heard you, okay. So you can be a temperance here, so maybe a Sagittarius, or your angel is very protective over you, okay, pile 2, okay. That's also the message I'm getting here. So what was this control 2? Okay, okay. So first we have the King of Cups. Oh, yes, this is the energy I was picking up on, you know. Okay. You know what I heard, pal, too, here? First thing I heard when I start to channel your cards here is like you deserve unconditional love, okay, pal, too, from anyone in your life, okay, including your love life, okay. And if you are wanting to go back to someone who have broken your trust or broken your heart, you should really think about it, okay. If okay, this, like, they are going to grant you the wish of you finding your match, or you finding a person, or you finding a new connection. I just saw 222 here, okay. So definitely someone is manifesting their love, okay. So it's not going to be the person on your mind, but it's going to be someone new, okay. This person, or you may have a very fiery energy, or someone is very a leadership quality, or you want someone who can take a lead in a connection, okay. You want someone to make efforts. I feel like you are the only one who always carry the burden of the relationship, okay. You always be the one who kind of leads the relationship, or who takes all the efforts and actions so this relationship can keep going, okay. If you are doing that, or if you were doing that, then it's about to end with the 10 of Wands energy here, okay. You are going to be gifted with the new relationship here, or okay, if it's okay, all also I'm getting the message that your wish about having the new opportunities, or welcoming a lot of new things in life, lies within your leadership quality, okay. That's what I'm getting here. So you have to take charge. It's like universe is saying that it's time, it's over, it's time, your time is over being this emotionally reserved or repressed person, okay. You have to start opening up more. You have to be step into your true power, okay, because they are about to send you with this Ace of Pentacles, okay, in no time here. So you have to be prepared, and you have to step into this King of Wands energy, and for some reason you see it coming. You know that it's going to happen. You are manifesting it. You know the change is coming. You know this opportunities, this money, this wealth, or this relationship is coming. You have to prepare for it. So keep going, keep doing that, okay. That's what I'm getting here. Just want to clarify. I want to clarify this King of Cups here. Okay, page onwards. Okay, you're not meant to be with someone who is very immature, okay, pal 1, pal 2, okay, and you have the Ace of Cups here. Yes, it's like you're deserving of so much better here. If you are manifesting someone who's not worthy of your time and energy, your angels are just very interfering in this reading and just letting you know that you are not getting that person, okay, who is not on your level. Okay, you are going to get someone way better than what you are asking for. Okay, we can't see you in this tree of sword and 10 of wands energy all the time. It's not meant for you. You are someone who are just deserving of this ace of pentacles and ace of cups energy. So definitely a partnership coming in. You are manifesting a partnership, that's what I'm seeing here. And this relationship is also going to help you in like helping you grow and being a better person, or also in attracting more love and abundance in your life. Okay, that's what I'm getting here. So definitely a partnership, your wishes. Okay. Someone is saying that they don't want a relationship here, but they are going to get it. Okay, because deep inside your heart you want to be with someone. Okay, and this person is going to take care of you. This person is going to take a charge. This person is also going to be your equal. Okay, that's what I'm getting. Okay, what wishes about to come share to come. Okay, Nine of Pentacles energy and Eight of you know, you're definitely manifesting it. Okay, with the Magician card here, with the Nine of Pentacles, Strength card, and Five of Pentacles, Queen of Swords, Death, and the Judgment here. Okay, so clarify the Five of. Okay. I knew it. Okay, Five of Cups, Five of Pentacles. Clarify the Queen of Sword here, please. Clarify the death. I don't. Okay. Hmm. Clarify the judgment here. Okay, no one side. The King of Sword at the back of the deck. Queen and King of Sword. Mm-hmm. With the Nine of Cups. Okay, I don't know why, but your angels want you to know that. I don't know. They are just okay. They are letting you know things. Okay, here, pile two. It's like, why do you want to go back to that person? Okay, why? Okay, I feel like there was a third party energy, and that's why you kind of ended this connection. I feel like you are the one who can ended this relationship, and it was kind of like you felt that connection because it was a lover's card. Okay, there was some sort of a karmic bond that you share with that person, so that's why you felt so much drawn to that person. Okay, with the Judgment card, with clarified with the Hermit and Two of Wands, and yeah, there definitely a third party, someone, and that person is that third party is very jealous of you. Okay, about too, because how outspoken you are, because how like you have this leadership quality within you. Okay, pal, so you are a very powerful person. You transform you pain into power. Okay, and this person is kind of jealous of that, because you know what, why the reason, the reason is first thing I heard, okay, when I draw the cards, your angels is saying that we have seen far in future. If you go back to that person again, is going to end horribly, because this person is going to keep you in the keep you in the circle, keep you in this karmic pattern, and we don't want that. Okay, that's why we are just not letting this person to enter your life anymore. And for this person, I feel like, I don't know why I'm getting their energy. If you're curious, they are regretting. Okay, I feel like they are single now with the Two of Wands energy, and they're missing you. With the Judgment card, I feel like they have learned their lesson. They kind of understand that they were wrong. Okay, it doesn't mean that you should give them chance, because I told you, they your angels are saying it. Okay, that this person was not good for you. Okay, you shouldn't focus on that. And yes, with a like, you are stepping into your confident powerful era. You are going to manifest a lot of money and strength, and you are very like, you are going to find something new about yourself. You are going to love that. Okay, and you are attracting someone who is going to love all of you. They are going to love that leadership quality you have. Okay, they are going to love your personality. You are definitely attracting someone on the same vibration. Okay, that's what I'm getting. Very strong partnership that you are attracting past you. Okay, it's not going to be someone from the past, it's someone new. Okay, this is the message I'm getting. So take what resonates, of course, and leave the rest here. Okay, so guidance for you, reconsider. Yes, if reconsider if you are thinking about, what I just said. Okay, so reconsider your decision. And recovery, yes, you are healing from things that hurt you, so don't try to invite those things again in your life. Okay, communicate clearly. You have this ability, you have this great gift. Okay, communicate clearly. Don't try to stop yourself from communicate your thoughts and feelings. Okay, be brave and speak your mind. Okay, that's what I have for you, part 2. And I hope messages resonated, and I'll see you next time. Bye, love and peace. Hi, pile 3. So you chose the moon. This is going to be your reading. So right away, when with this moon card, I feel like, I don't know, there is someone, okay, who's watching this reading. They don't have a wish, but anyways, they came here to just see what wish of mine will be come true. Okay, I don't know. This is the first message I get. Okay, and second thing is, okay, that you wish for something but you are not sure, you are not confident in, like, you will be granted that wish, okay, of yours. Okay, there is a lot of fear, or there is a very lack of faith even. Okay, or maybe there is a lot of self-doubt that you will get this, you will this wish of yours will come true. Okay, if that, like, a very if situation I'm picking up on. I feel like you are very calm, like a very practical person. Okay, part 3, you can be very good. I'm not judging someone with the signs, but I feel like you have a very practical persona. Okay, or maybe you are trying to just lean towards the spiritual aspects of life, and still you are like looking for effects or events. You're still looking for a confirmation that if these things are true, or just some illusion. Okay, for someone, I'm just speaking about that. Okay, let's see what wish of yours will control. Okay, classroom. It's about to come true. Ace of Wands. Wow. The new purpose in life, a new beginning. Okay, so definitely your faith will be increased. Okay, by the time. Okay, so your wish is going to be granted. So you will know that these things are true. Maybe you are learning manifestations, maybe you are trying to, there is, like, we have the full card here. Okay, so definitely you are asking for a new beginning. Okay, you are asking for new beginnings here. You are asking for newness in life. You want to start over, or there is some element of, I just want to leave everything behind and start something new. Okay, so this wish of yours will be granted. Okay, and this wish of yours will be granted in a way that you are not expecting. It's going to be like a huge miracle that you are asking for. Okay, pile 3 is going to be different from everyone watching this reading right now. And this Ace of Wands is also about to travel. Okay, it's something about travel. It's something about setting free. It's something about getting the freedom that you truly want and deserve. This is going to be granted to you. Okay, this kind of a wish, this whatever wish you have. Okay, Patri, there is a feeling attached to it of being free. Okay, so this wish is actually elevating your spirit. Okay, that's what I'm getting here. Okay, clarify the Ace of Wands, please. Hmm. Yes, I told you, someone is not confident, or someone feels like it is kind of an illusion, but there is a part of you that feels like it is divinely guided. Okay, if it's ever going to happen, okay, you have to keep trusting. Okay, have strong faith. Okay, part 3, even if you don't see the results yet, your wish is going to become true. Okay, and the six of Pentacles here. Okay, hmm. Your wish will be granted by someone here. Okay, you are not expecting this person to help you. Okay, and I feel like with the Ace of Wands, and Seven of Cups and the Temperance here, like someone here, okay, someone here is truly asking to the universe, to the God, to the higher power, that they want to know what true purpose of life is, why they are here, why they brought on this planet. what's the purpose of all this, okay, why they are learning these things, why they are doing these things, why they are living the life that they are living, okay. And they just really are tired, okay. Someone is really tired of the Seven of Cups energy. Someone is really tired of feeling confused. Someone is very tired of not being in a right direction even, okay, or not getting a right direction, and you are just surrendering to the universe, to the angels, to the God, to the higher power that you believe in, and they are helping you find this Ace of Wands, okay. That's what I'm getting here with the Six of Pentacles energy. And I heard like be generous, okay. Be generous to people who really needs your help, okay. It doesn't have to be only with finances. It can be by any ways. Like your angels may kind of try to test you before they grant you this wish, okay. If you help someone in need, even like there is something that you have in abundance, okay. And if someone doesn't have those things, and they come to you asking your help, okay, genuine help, okay. It's not like someone is trying to steal from you or someone is trying to take advantage of you. It's like genuine help, okay. Someone really in need, okay, trying to ask for your help. Do help that person, okay, because it is kind of a test from the universe, okay, before they kind of grant you this Ace of Wands energy. Remember that, okay. It doesn't have to be only a person. It can be an animal, okay. If you find a stray cat or something like that, or you feed some animals, or I'm just seeing like a black cat, or someone have a black cat here, okay. Or if you have already have a pet, or if you like, it's I'm just hearing like be nice to people around you, people that truly care about you, okay. It's actually going to lead you to what truly meant for you, okay. Because they want they want to see your generous side, okay, before they kind of hand over you this Ace of Wands energy, because it can be related to that. Maybe you want to do something with animals here, because maybe someone want to be a vet, or someone wants to do something for animals, okay. Or someone really want to adopt a cat, or just you have a pet in general. Be generous with them. Try to show your love to them, okay. This is kind of a message I'm getting here. It's not only for animals, the people around you even, okay. This is an extra message I'm getting, okay. What is she start to control for control, okay. Embrace, okay, 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 okay. Oh my god, okay. Why the Two of Swords is here, by the way? It's a judgment here, definitely, okay. If it's like you have to be nice, okay. I don't know why I'm just getting that, okay. You know what, with this judgment card, what I get here, pile 3, you have to forgive yourself, okay. Forgive yourself for your past, okay, for your past mistake, and forgive those around you, okay. Your past doesn't define you, okay. Your past doesn't define you. Your past is not going to be interfering with the things that truly meant for you, okay. Because they are not seeing you as someone who has committed a sins or crime, things like that. I'm just I don't know why I'm getting this. You have to, it's not, I'm not talking about the serious things, okay. Here I just feel like you have to forgive yourself and move on from the past, okay. Because your past doesn't define you. You have so many incredible things are in near future for you, okay. Here that's what I'm getting. Why the two of okay. Eight of Pentacles and hmm and Eight of Cups. Oh, Eight of Pentacles and Eight of Cups. So there is a choice coming in for you. Okay, I'm just going to let you know what I see here, okay. Pile 3. So with the Empress here, it's going to be like you are going to be in your energy, be in your element. You are going to be very abundance and generous. That's why you are attracting your wish here, okay, of being successful in something. You are definitely going to, like, this wish is about to come true. With the Lovers card, there is definitely a decision that you have to make, okay. This decision is also based on something that you have to let go with the Eight of Cups, and something that you have to work on with the Eight of Pentacles, and you sincerely know what those things are. So it's like emotionally you have to move on from things doesn't serve you, and you have to keep your focus on things that truly meant for you. Okay, so with the Eight of Pentacles energy, you have to be focused with the Eight of Pentacles and the Three of Pentacles. So you are going to be blessed with the opportunity, you are going to get the clarity, you are going to get the right direction, but you have to work for it. Okay, because you are talented in something. Okay, path 3, and you have to you are going to get the opportunity to work on that talent and make your full fortune out of it. Okay, this is the thing I'm getting if you are looking for a purpose here. Okay, with the Six of Wands, and I feel like there is also maybe you are attracting a relationship with the Queen of Wands and King of Wands, and with the Lovers card, maybe a twin flame. I don't know why I'm getting this. So this is the, like you are going to attract someone like you are when you are going to be very successful. If you are asking when your true love is coming in, so you may have a multiple wishes, but first you have to focus on yourself. For there is like a three types of wishes I'm getting here. So first thing, you try to find yourself. You are all about to find yourself. Okay, you are going to find something about yourself here. You are going to enter into this embrace energy. This wish is going to be kind of granted. And second, you are going to find your purpose. Okay, this is kind of series of wishes that you have. Or third, you want to be successful in your career. Okay, this wish is also going to be granted. You are going to emotionally move away from things that doesn't serve you. You are going to grant that wish as well. And you are going to find your person. Okay, with the Queen of Wands and King of Wands energy, you are going to share same things, same mindset and same everything. Okay, that's what I'm getting. Okay, you have like this is like a complete match, that you are going to bond with this person very well. With the ten of Cups energy, there is definitely a strong relationship that is going to be rewarded to you. Okay, this are the wish I'm picking up on. So let's see advice for you. What else? Okay, first card is this. Okay, you have, it's up to you. Yes, it's up to you. It's up to you. You have the success, and you don't need to worry. You don't have to worry. Success is all yours. Okay, and it's up to you. Why it's up to you? Here's here. Look for a sign. It's up to you. Look for a sign. Okay. Yeah, the wish is going to be granted. I told you the opportunity is going to be given to you. It's up to you how you are going to react on it, how you are going to accept it, how you are going to make best out of it. Okay, this is what I'm getting here. So that's what I have for you, part 3. And you don't have to worry about anything, and success is going to be yours, because I know you are a very hardworking person and you will achieve it. Okay, don't have to be only hard work. It's about all the things that you have. Okay, you are going to get it no matter what it takes. So I'll see you next time. Bye. Love and peace.